an autumn to fathom. There was a gentle call for a summer's last fall, to leave it marked with golden and red leaves. This old season had drifted away through a weather of emotions, and left us a dreamy night with an autumn to fathom. Autumn, the new season of inspiration, had sprang with joy, weaved with coy love and spiced adventures. The crispy air blew everywhere, sending a message of a transforming nature. Leaves of hues descended from trees gracefully, adding more warmth of love for couples, and a touch of view to a quiet session. The evening air was filled with sweet scent of grilled meats. Close and distant friends gathered, creating memories and stories to share. The harvest moon shone so dear with radiant light, to guide us through a tranquil night of an autumn to fathom. Grabbing a cool drink, I watched the night with reflection and introspection of how the season had created moments here with connection. To some, autumn is a bittersweet experience of short days. To others, they find coziness, fine mood, and sense of contentment. Autumn harvest brings a feeling abundance to sours, with a dance of satisfaction, and sends fraction of colorful scenery to display daringness and awesomeness. Autumn is reaping here, autumn is reaping everywhere, indeed there's an autumn to fathom. May this season whisper to our ears good tidings, and spring around us fragrance of good moods over life seeps.